Hey guys, it's Ellen here. This is a different kind of content from my usual content. I am standing in my dad's studio. Yes, it's a studio here in Hanson, Massachusetts. And the reason why I'm talking to you today is that my dad has Alzheimer's. Like many other people on the planet who have this cognitive disease, it's really unfortunate. But my dad can no longer paint. So my siblings and myself and our kids have taken on the task of trying to empty out the studio because he can no longer paint in it. So we have taken upon ourselves to get it ready for a big sale this weekend coming up Saturday and Sunday from like 10 to 5. I will put a link below and talk about it. And the proceeds will go towards helping care for him later on, and also for the Alzheimer's Association. We're donating part of the proceeds for that. I'm going to give you a snippet of what his studio kind of looks like and some of the paintings he's done over the years. He's done a lot of abstracts, landscapes, still lifes, you name it. And he actually has an etching press sitting right over here too. I did etchings when I was like 5 years old. Very funny. It's unfortunate, and I personally think about this all the time. Like, what would happen if I couldn't paint anymore? How devastating that would be. So I always say, live your life to the fullest every day, because you just never know about tomorrow. So I wanted to take you a walk through the studio, show you a little bit about it, talk about some of the paintings, and yeah. And if you're interested, come to the sale this weekend. I will be there with my family. And if you can't come to the sale, obviously because you're far away, the link below is his website. Well, the website we created for him. You buy some paintings if you're interested. Just click the painting you like, and then email the email there, or the phone. Use the phone number there to call. Shipping is not included in that price. Just letting you know. And these prices are slashed. My dad's paintings go for way more money than we put out there, but we're just trying to just empty out the studio. So thank you for listening. And if you're having to deal with the same situation in your family, my heart goes out to you. I know how difficult this is. And so just take one step at a time. I know. So thank you for watching, and watch the video and you see the studio. Okay. So here we are walking into the studio. There's some photographs of my dad over the years, some of the photographs of him doing the etching press, and some photographs, a painting that someone did of him, his sculptures. And we're walking into the studio. You see all the little shelves my brother built, and that we had put the paintings way up, all the way up the walls. He's got lots of paintings, beautiful impressionistic style landscapes, some black and whites, tons of paintings, large, small, you name it. It's abstracts, still lifes, collages, prints, endless amounts of paintings. So these are some of his, we call them multitudes, basically like angels that he painted. They're really beautiful, great little abstract type of paintings. Some of my favorites. Some people really love to collect these. And going on the other side here, you can look in from the back end going into the studio, and you see all the like impressionistic style paintings. More of that wall. See all these beautiful impressionistic style landscapes that he's done over the years. I've got a couple in my house actually. Seascapes, these beautiful sculptures, all made out of wood. Kind of reminds me of Louise Nevelson. If you even know who she is, look her up. Yes, beautiful seascapes, way up there. All these are going for sale. Some etchings you see there, black and whites. He's got wonderful birch tree paintings. I love that mystical one in the center there, on top of the still life. More beautiful birch trees. Lots of paintings that he did when he went to Italy. And then we have drawers upon drawers of prints that he's done, or even just paints on paper. These are some still lifes. It's a watercolor, if you can believe it. Beautiful. Or maybe it's watered down acrylic. I think it's watercolor though. This is a still life. Just beautiful. Some of the still lifes, mixed media. This one's a mixed media one that I'm going to show you in a second. Really kind of pretty. There's drawers and drawers of this kind of stuff. This is all for sale this weekend here in Hanson from 10 to 6. Look at this one. He's painted this. And actually, in my tutorial on my Patreon, I used that jug. I took some of the artifacts that he uses to paint with home into my studio, so I can kind of do some paintings of pictures of still lifes that he kind of used the objects for. It's just tons and tons of them. There it is, a smaller version. He's got drawers and drawers full of things. Lots of prints. Here's some angels that he's painted. I'm pulling this one out. And there's like probably 200 or 300 of these kind of wild, beautiful painted angels. Just beautiful, vibrant colors. My father was pretty religious, so yeah, he did a lot of angel paintings. Just drawers of them. We have lots of them. There's so many to even pull out. I'm just giving you a snippet of what some of the things he's done over the years. Just lots of it. Here's some more of the, impressionistic style paintings. These are the things we call multitudes with the abstract. They see the photograph of me in there. This shelves go way up high, all around the room. There's more and more paintings everywhere. So there's lots to sell. Like I said, we have to empty out the studio for my mother because my mother can't handle this. So we've taken this project on. And so the sale is just a really big sale to slash everything. Look at these beautiful still lifes. And after that, we're going to start giving them to galleries, whatever's left over, and see what they can sell. So this is a great opportunity if you would like to buy some art that's generally very more expensive, pretty cheap, and help, give some money towards the Alzheimer Association and help clear out the studio for my dad, which I really appreciate. It's just kind of sad. I just can't imagine myself not doing this anymore, but you just never know what life is going to bring you, right? So these are some of the wonderful coastal ones he's done. Really kind of pretty. He's done a lot of coastal paintings. And here's some really cool abstracts. Some have like etching, some are collage. There's just tons of it. And another whole wall of black and white. Black and whites are really great. There's some coastal black and whites, some landscapes. That one right there in the black frame, he did in 1957. It is the coolest painting. I actually took a photograph of that because I just love it. It's like paint on paper. And there's more and more. This is actually some of them painted on wood. Really kind of this beautiful landscape. I love this one. Just one of my favorites. Vibrant landscape. Some the paintings he's done when he went to Italy. He took all these photographs and he did these paintings from all the photographs he took. Really kind of beautiful. I love that little archway. There's just tons of them. Very prolific, my dad is. And this is one of my all-time favorites. This is a painting of 9/11. This is a painting painted after 9/11, and it's all the souls going into heaven. This is one of our prized paintings. This is not a very cheap painting. It's a very expensive painting because it means a lot. Yes. Some more of the multitudes and some abstracts in here. Just so many things. Like I said, we have to really clean it out. It's a lot. It's a lot of paintings. My dad painted like every day. No lie. And the last thing is a little treat. This is a drawing I did in college, and this is a print of it, and we'll be selling off the prints to help raise money for Alzheimer's as well. So we have like some frame prints and unframed prints that I signed that will be in the studio that we're selling as well for donations to the Alzheimer's Association. And here's a screenshot of the flyer that we're handing out and the time and date and address. I'll put the information below as well as the website with all the paintings that you can click on to see if you want to purchase. And you just email or make a phone call to the number listed in the website. Thank you so much for watching.